guys, it's Tanoa. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna be trimming my hair, and honestly, I told myself this last time that I was gonna stay on track on my trims and stuff like that. And obviously, I haven't done that at all. So I'm kind of disappointed in myself because now my hair is in a really bad state. And yeah, the last time I trimmed my hair was in April of 2022. It is now 2023. Do you see where the mistake is? Like, I really told myself that I was gonna stay on track of my trims and everything and try to trim my hair every 6 months or every 3 months. Girl, that obviously didn't happen. So now here I am trimming my hair because my hair is in a really bad state. And if you saw my last video, you already know I am going through it. So last time usually I go ahead and blow dry my hair and everything, but I'm not gonna do that. I've had my hair in these twists to kind of stretch them out for the past week or so, and so that's how I'm gonna trim my hair, because I'm not gonna keep putting heat on my hair and everything because my hair's not doing well right now, and I don't wanna mess it up even more, basically. So yeah, my ends are kind of, there's a lot of split ends in here that should not be here. Okay, I think I brushed that enough. Basically, I'm just gonna trim a tiny piece of it, and then I'm gonna twist it back up. Okay, let me bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see. This is how it's looking like so far, and all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna trim this much of it off, to be honest. And that is it. That's how it's looking like. I always get scissor happy whenever I cut my hair. So I just gotta make sure that I don't get too scissor happy. This is how much I'm cutting off, by the way. Honestly, now that I'm, on this new journey of just trying to grow my hair out and trying to understand the mistakes that I'm making, because I don't know why my hair is still at this length and it's just not growing. So I'm on this new journey of just trying to grow my hair out and undo whatever it is that I am doing that's causing my hair to not grow and stuff. I mean, it is growing obviously, but not retaining length. I'm just trying to figure it out. So if y'all got any ideas on what I could be doing, let me know down below, because I am honestly lost. I'm honestly lost. I know one thing for sure that I probably want to start experimenting with is just finger detangling. Honestly, I really hate finger detangling, which is why I don't really do it that much, and I prefer using brushes and stuff like that. But yeah, one of the things that I want to start doing more is finger detangling, because I know brushes aren't necessarily the best for your hair, even though they do such a great job at getting all the knots out. I should start finger detangling more and just doing that and being a little bit more gentle with my hair, even though I feel like I'm already pretty gentle with my hair. There's no reason why it should be breaking off, no reason. But yeah, I do want to start finger detangling more. And also I do, so back then, like years ago, I used to always like oil my scalp and just, you know, make sure that my scalp was always nice and moisturized. And like recently, like these past recent years, I haven't been doing that as much because I just don't like when my hair is like greasy or anything. Um, and so I just like kind of like stopped doing that. I stopped doing like the whole LCO, LOC. I don't remember which one I did, but I stopped doing all that and just adding oil to my hair in general. So maybe I should start doing that again. I don't know. If y'all got any ideas, let me know down below what I should start doing, what I need to start doing, you know. I know, but I definitely know that finger detangling and oiling my scalp more is something that I definitely want to start doing more often. But if y'all have any more suggestions, let your girl know down below so that my hair can start retaining length and stuff. Also, quick length check. Currently reaches right here. One other thing that I noticed that my hair was doing was that it basically was thinning out a little bit. Like even like I could feel it in the front of my hair, especially in the front of my hair. Like, I don't know if y'all could see that. Let me brush it out. So yeah, as y'all can see, like it is just thinning out. So that obviously means that like I was getting a lot of breakage and I wasn't really changing up my routine or like tending to my hair and just being more gentle and careful with it. And so over the past couple of like months and like years, I did notice that my hair was like thinning out more. And I just didn't really do anything about it. I was just like, like my hair is still growing. I'm just gonna let it be. So I definitely should have tended to my hair more and focused on why it was thinning to kind of just like stop it. But overall, you guys, I just want to get my hair back into a healthy state. I'm just gonna grow it out and just stay consistent in like my routines and stuff like that, and just try to keep up with my trims. That's a big one for me. That's a big one. But yeah, that's basically it. This is all the hair that I cut off. This is all the hair that I cut off, along with hair that came off on the brush while I was detangling. It's honestly not that much. It's only a little bit. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below if you want to see more videos from me, and I will see you in my next video.